Here you go, you got Borucki's loft. Here's a shot of my young birds. Pretty healthy guys. They're looking good. Tried corn cob this year on the floor. I don't know if I really like it or not, especially if the birds try to eat it. We had an incident here with a stock bird that ate a piece and got caught in his gullet, and he choked on it and died. So that's what the autopsy showed. But things happen. These guys are doing pretty good. In their grain bowl here, there's little indentations where they're eating. That's their grit, the red fine grit. Here's my flyers. They're sitting on a lot of eggs. Hope it'll be a good season. There's two more young birds. They're looking pretty good. It was a rough season here in Pecatonica, Illinois. We had that cold snap. Had a lot of infertile eggs. Okay, people, this is Borucki's Loft, Pecatonica, Illinois. Thank you.